Welcome to Entrepreneurship Development Institute of India's Knowledge Center. Today's topic of discussion is steps to generate startup ideas.
Hello. Today we're going to discuss on what is idea and what is business idea. Most of us are interested in initiating a business or a venture or a startup. But the starting point of every such initiator is a powerful idea. So we need to understand what is an idea and how idea can be converted into business idea, and subsequently the business ideas are converted into business ventures. If idea is not powerful enough, it will be difficult for them to make them business ideas. So today we are going to discuss about these three different parameters: what is an idea, what's a business idea, and how we initiate ventures based on such powerful business ideas. So what's an idea? Idea is a solution to any problem that we are looking into. We have so many different problems in our society, in our life, and our day-to-day living. If you can identify any of the problem and try to solve it, the solution to that particular problem is called as an idea. Then what is the difference between an idea and a business idea? Business ideas are those where a customer is ready to pay a price for the solution that you are offering. Let's talk about ideas with some examples or how ideas can be created. Any problem that you are seeing at this place can be solved in broadly two different ways or a combination of both the ways. One solution we call solving a problem by social way or solving a problem through the technological way or a combination. Let's say COVID-19 as a problem. If you look into the solution of COVID-19, we can request people to maintain social distance. We'll talk to the people to clean their hands with hand wash or sanitizers. So we'll try to educate people that how they can maintain social distance and can protect themselves from the virus. If you're looking into technological solution, the way different designs of mask was created, the type of ventilators that was required, the type of healthcare facilities that we try to develop, or the type of vitamins or immunity boosting medicines that we have developed over a period of time, these are all technological solutions for this COVID-19. Or we can have combination of both the social and the technological solution to solve this problem. So any issues that you are finding or any problem that you are finding, let's talk about an issue with the traffic. So traffic is a problem. How it can be solved? We can request people to drive in a proper manner, to follow the traffic rules and drive in the lane and follow all traffic related rules. I think we won't have that much of accidents and the death that is taking place through the road accidents. The technological solution is that we can come out with the sensors, we can come out with cameras which is going to monitor the vehicle movement, or we can today talk about the driverless cars, that we have proper parking systems or intelligent driving systems. These are all technological solutions to the same problem, or a combination of both social and technological solutions can be taken place. So if you feel that there is a problem and you want to solve it, you can use the technology to solve it, or you can use the social way to solve it, or a combination of both. You can try to solve that particular problem, and that's the way we start initiating the first step of ideation. The next step of the ideation is that we need to answer 5 basic questions on the business ideas where you feel a customer will be interested taking that solution from you. And that's a process I call them as business ideas. Through moving to the business idea, I feel there are 5 questions everybody should answer. Every idea that you have need to answer these 5 questions. You need to come out and write down those solutions or those particular 5 points, answer to those 5 points, and try to initiate your first journey. Question number 1, what important customer problem I am trying to solve? Second, how I am going to do it? Third, why I can do it? 4, how many customers are there who are ready to buy from me? And the 5th, if tomorrow there is a competition, how I am going to protect myself or compete against others. So these are the 5 basic questions that everybody should initiate to convert his idea to a business idea process. Let's take a very simple example. I want to come out with a bottled water business. You find out there is a drinking water Potable drinking water is a huge business right now. So many different companies are operating, and tomorrow you feel that you want to initiate a business on potable drinking water. So packaged drinking water, that's a business you want to initiate. So in that business, first question, what important customer problem you are trying to solve? If in your locality or the vicinity, if the drinking water availability is an issue, or the large chunk of customers or the guests which are coming and they are looking for drinking water, what kind of the different ways where the people are actually demanding that particular water, or what important customer problem you try to solve? By providing this drinking water, people can get pure water which hygienically packed and which they can drink at any point of time. How are you going to do it? Yes, we need to come out the process, whether I want to have a manufacturing facility where the water will be packed and sold, or I'll make it contract manufacturing by somebody, I'll create a brand and selling it down. So that is the process. We need to define what is the type of people we require, what is the type of support you require, what's the amount of funding that may require in terms of creating that we call how you're going to do it. Third, why you want to do in that business or that particular idea. There need to have a connection between you as an individual and the idea or the problem that you try to solve. If I don't have any background understanding about the problem the customer facing and I try to solve it, it will be very difficult for me solving that problem. The fourth in that row is that how many customers are there in this area, how many people are on an average are ready to buy such a potable drinking water from me. As the number is 10, 30, 40, 50, how many numbers? What is the rate at which you feel in the future this number can grow, or what are the different other localities you will start entering and start providing the similar water as a packaged drinking water to them. And the fifth one, how you going to defend yourself against competitions. If tomorrow some other company, somebody else is also trying to do it the similar manner, or there may be existing company who may be offering this particular water to right now, and you want to enter that particular market, what is the way you can defend yourself? What is the value proposition that you try to provide to them so that the customers will be attracted towards you? So in an entrepreneurial journey, you need to answer these 5 basic questions before you can convert your ideas to business idea. From idea to business idea, and the third step is business venturing. If you have a powerful idea and you found out that yes, there are a large chunk of people who may be interested in terms of availing the service or the solution or the product that you try to offer, we call that as a business ideation process. Your general idea has converted into business idea. Go to the next step, that is called business venturing. Business venturing is the process where you need to first create your own entity, the organization that you want to have. You have to have your the people who are going to work it out, maybe your co-founders who are going to work along with you, your other employees, other people who are going to associate with you. You need to think about the facilities where you're going to manufacture. All try to do it as the manufacturing by yourself or by somebody else, or you try to aggregate the product, the type of product that you try to provide, the solution that you provide, the whole of this operation that you try to provide. So those inputs we combine together in terms of the market insight that you require, the technology insights you require, the financial support that you require, and that's the way the whole organization is being created, and that's a place that we call as a business venturing. So this whole journey from ideation to business idea to business venturing is of 3 different pillars that is required as an essential pillar for your entrepreneurial journey. You are all welcome to EDI, where we'll all work together in this whole journey of your idea to business venturing. Thank you.